Redbird alert! Coco, don't move. Don't move, baby. Redbird. I put a little handful on the pedestal. But both of those were very depleted this morning. Only one a rat could really hang on and clear out, so hoping that's not what happened. Ooh, he's chowing too. He showed up with the chickie before. Oh, nope, that's the woodpecker. Man, just knocked him on the ground. Jump up on the feeder. Ooh, it's the mom too, man. She's such a little badass. What a girl. He puts him on the pedestal, it draws him in. Oh, Redbird's like, I'm out.